In today's video, I am going to teach you how to calculate the range in Excel. The range is the difference between the largest value and the smallest value in a set of numbers. This is a simple but useful calculation when you want to understand how spread out your data is. For example, if you have a list of sales numbers, scores, measurements, or expenses, the range tells you how far apart the highest and lowest values are. In Excel, you can calculate this quickly by combining two built-in functions in one formula, max and min. To begin, click the empty cell where you want the result to appear. This should be a blank cell outside your data, so the answer is easy to see and does not replace any existing information. For example, if your numbers are listed in one column, you might choose an empty cell below the list or to the side of it. The exact location does not matter as long as it is where you want Excel to display the final range value. Once the empty cell is selected, you are ready to enter the formula. Type equals max open parenthesis A2 colon A10 close parenthesis minus min open parenthesis A2 colon A10 close parenthesis. Written out, the formula looks like this. Equal sign max A2 A10 minus min 10 A2 A10. This formula tells Excel to look at the cells from A2 through A10. The max part finds the highest number in that group of cells. The min part finds the lowest number in the same group. Excel then subtracts the lowest number from the highest number, which gives you the range. If your data is not located in cells A2 through A10, replace A2 A10 with the actual cell range that contains your numbers. For example, if your data is in cells B3 through B15, you would use B3 B15 instead. The important thing is that both parts of the formula use the same data range because you want the highest and lowest values from the same set of numbers. Take a moment to make sure the formula is typed correctly. The equal sign at the beginning tells Excel that you are entering a formula. The parentheses tell Excel which cells to evaluate for the max and min functions. The minus sign between the two functions is what performs the subtraction. If any of these parts are missing or typed incorrectly, Excel may not calculate the result properly. After the formula is entered, press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will immediately calculate the result and display the range in the cell you selected. The number you see is the difference between the largest and smallest values in your chosen data range. If the result does not look right, the most common thing to check is the cell range inside the formula. Make sure it includes all of the numbers you want to use, and make sure both the max and min sections reference the same range. Also, make sure the cells contain numbers, since text or blank cells may affect what you expect to see. And that is all there is to it. You have calculated the range in Excel by subtracting the minimum value from the maximum value, using one simple formula.